Welcome to our channel. Backing up your Zoom call logs is essential for record keeping and reference purposes. Follow these instructions to download and save your Zoom meeting history. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to zoom.us. Log into your Zoom account using your email and password. Step 2. After logging in, click on Reports in the left sidebar menu. Step 3. Under the Reports section, select Usage Reports and then click on Active Hosts. Step 4. Set the date range for the call logs you want to back up by using the date picker at the top of the page. Step 5. Once you've selected the date range, click on Search to generate the report. Step 6. The report will display a list of all your Zoom meetings within the selected time period, including meeting IDs, dates, durations, and participant counts. Step 7. To download the report, click on the Export or Download button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the report table. Step 8. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel, for the download. Step 9. Save the file to your computer in a secure location where you can easily access it for future reference. Step 10. For ongoing backups, consider scheduling regular downloads of your Zoom call logs on a weekly or monthly basis. You can also automate this process using Zoom's API if you have technical expertise. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.